Hey, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. My name is Kim, if you did not know already, and I just had to stop real quick and record this video because I have been busy all week. My daughter Ariel decided to have a birthday party, literally like the week before her birthday. So I've been super busy planning everything, getting everything, and it's just been so hectic, but I got this in the mail. I need to show it to you. I'm so excited. If you know that I love Nightmare Before Christmas. You can kind of see it around my wall. Look at my wall. Beautiful, right? Everything I love, you can kind of get a vibe right here. So yeah, NBC is one of them, and if you do follow, you know that Disney dropped their Nightmare Before Christmas Starbucks collab cup last week, right? I think it was last week, and I got it. It's here in the mail. I made a post about it if you saw it. It's here. I'm so excited. Like I said, real quick, because I need to get back to planning this birthday party. I had a week, okay, a week. This girl decided the last week to ask for a birthday party. So yeah. Okay, so I got the cup, and I also want to show you the stuff, the NBC stuff. Let's say a haul of what I have bought so far. Yes, I know we're still in August. It's about to be September, but you know, the Halloween vibes are here already. All over the place. Look at my shirts. I got this from the pink store. It's like a little skeleton, blinged out, like bone. I don't know what the heck you call that. I don't know. You get it, but it's so cute. It's hot pink bling. I love it. But yeah, okay, that was from Pink. If you want it, go check it out. They probably still have it. It's pretty much new. But yeah, okay, let me show you the cups, and then I'm gonna show you what I've gotten so far. It's not a lot because I'm trying to wait, because I know a lot of things are gonna start dropping like probably September. So guys, this is my spending season. I gotta watch carefully what I get. So first thing, the cups. So here it is. I got two because I'm planning to maybe do a giveaway once I hit like 5K, which I'm like halfway to. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe and stay tuned for that giveaway. Don't forget to like this video. So yeah, here's the box. Oh my gosh, I love how they like do their boxes now. They have Mickey, Goofy, Donald, and Pluto. How cute. And it says Disney Store. So yeah, I think this is like new packaging, because I have not gotten this before. Look how it came like half open already. I don't need my handy dandy crafting knife because it has like the little pull thing. So okay, I don't know if you remember, but I have unboxed like the Nightmare Before Christmas Starbucks Disney cups before, but through shorts only. This is the first time ever that I do it like in a boxing with you. So oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, hold on, it's a little tough. So here it is. It was like 2 per person, so I was like, one for me and one for you. Because like I said, I'm planning for the giveaway. I don't know, we're gonna see how it looks, because to be honest with you, I wasn't so impressed like from the previous years. So, and it was actually, well, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know, I'm not sure how much the previous years, how much the cups were, but I think they were a little bit more expensive. This one was 30 bucks, so I don't know. I don't remember. So ooh. And I do keep these more as a collectible, so I'm scared to use them. I don't want to mess them up. Like, I don't want it to fall and break, you know. Okay, here it is. Here it is. By the way, did you get one? Are you waiting for it in the mail? Are you watching this because you want to know how it looks? You're about to see. Okay, so it's always wrapped up like this. Ooh. Ooh, look at Sally and Jack and Zero. Let's get a better look. So let me see. You can see the reflection of the lights. Hold on. Okay, so Sally, look at that. This is a like little, what do you call it? The picture, the portrait on the cup. So it's Sally, Zero, and Jack. and it says Disney Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. So yeah, I'm not just a Nightmare Before Christmas fan. I love like Tim Burton's movies in general. So yeah, this is the lid. It's just plain see-through a bit. This is around the cup. It's like Jack's clothing, I guess you can say. Look at that. It has the little Starbucks logo right here. I'm gonna turn it so the lighting's a little bit better so you guys can see a better glimpse of it. Look at that. It's the bottom. I wonder if they're gonna come out with the Christmas one like they did last year. Last year they dropped 2, right? So you can see how it's see-through. The straw's a bit see-through too. You can see it's like grayish. So care instructions are inside as usual. Oh, and you can see it has like the fence right there. I didn't even see that. Can you guys see it? It's black, so it's kind of hard to see. You'll be able to see it in person better. But yeah, like I said, the cup's a little bit more simple than the usual ones, but still cute. I mean, if you're a fan, I think it's cute. So yeah, I'm so happy. I love it. I think it's worth the $30. I think currently, last time I checked, it was sold out. It did take a while to sell out this time. I think it's because, like I said, it wasn't all that like the previous years, I feel like. So maybe that's why it took a little bit longer to sell out, because the other ones like sell out instantly. So yeah, so I think it's cute. I'm pretty sure they will restock because, like I said, it's still August, you know, so we still have like what, 2 more months to go, so they will restock, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, this is a cup. Let me know what you think. So yeah, let me show you what else I have gotten so far. So if you did see my short that I went to Ross and I was with the fam bam and I freaked out because I saw all that NBC merch and all Halloween stuff. I did get some stuff there. So I got the Jack pillows. I got 2 of them. Okay, there was more, but I got these because I thought they were so cute. I had previously seen these. I think it was like at maybe like CVS or like Walgreens, one of those stores last year, and I saw them at Ross and they were $10, like $10.99 I think, around there. And then I got 2, like I said, and I was so happy though because I saw Hot Topic has them too this year, but they're like $20. So yeah, I got like 50% off. So I got 2 of these for the couches, and then I got like 2 of those mats. I don't know if you saw, I showed them also. Well, I showed 1 I think, but I got 2 of those, and then I'll probably put a picture here like how it look. They're pretty big, but I love them as decor, you know. I always have NBC stuff everywhere around my house, so yeah, I don't care what time of year it is. And then I got 2 dish drying mats. I love to find like kitchen stuff when I go to Ross. Oh my gosh, like I could be there every day looking for like NBC merch around this time, but you know, that's too much. So yeah, I got these 2. It was $6.99. Look at that. I need to go back, see what else I can find, but I got these. And then, oh my gosh, at Ross also, I did a short about it. I don't know if I don't think I have posted it yet, but I got the Adorables. Look at that, the whole gang right there. Oh my gosh, so cute. I had to put them somewhere on my wall because they're just so stinking adorbs. I'll do a close-up like little clip right here, but they're so stinking cute, like oh my gosh. And then I also got pens from Box Lunch. I don't know if you have seen these, but Box Lunch dropped these. They're 3D headed topper spinning pens, and they're a blind box, so there's like 7 different ones that you can get, and I got 4 of them. But guess what, it was only 2. I got 2 Sally and 2 Jacks. Oh my gosh, I was like, really? So yeah, I got doubles, and I'm like, ugh. So I left these unopened because I was like, why am I gonna open it like it's double, you know? Let me show you mine that I am keeping so you can see how they look. My little pen pouch. So this is Sally. Look at her. It comes with a little charm, This one says Daily Nightshade. So it's like one of her little potion thingies. So Sally. It has Sally on there. Look at that. It says Sally. Yeah, so I haven't used them yet. It's brand new still, but it spins. Look, so it has a little bar right here, right? And then you spin it like left or right, whatever you want, and it spins a little doll. How cute is that? And when you're writing, it has a little charm, so it's like all cute, you know. So I got Sally and Jack. Look at that. This one has a little bat. That's the charm. So look, he's like all over the place. It has Jack on there. Jack. So yeah, same thing. So yeah, these are around like $6-7, I believe. But yeah, I got 2 Jacks and 2 Sallys. So I was like, really? Like, I couldn't get at least 4 different ones. I want to get them all. But oh my god, to go on a hunt, I don't know if I'm gonna go get more, honestly. But so cool. Look at that. So yeah, I think that is pretty much all that I have gotten so far. Like I said, I'm trying to calm down because I don't know what else is gonna drop, and then I'm gonna go cray and oh my god, I'm just gonna get like a bunch of stuff. I'm trying to be more careful with what I get, you know, because I'm so used to going crazy. So I'm like, do I really need that? Do I really want that? You know. So yeah, I'm trying to be more thoughtful about my purchases. I really am. So yeah, that is my Jack haul. I'm so happy with the cup. Let me know if you're getting one. Let me know what Jack stuff you're looking forward to. I don't know, I need to do my research, see what else is coming soon. I'm just so happy, guys, that the Halloween spooky season is here. And yeah, okay, so now I have to go back to party planning. Like I said, I have a week. Oh my gosh, have you ever planned a party in a week? Let me know how it went. Did it go good? Pray for me, okay? Just pray for me. Hope everything goes good. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. I don't know, guys. My mind is like literally all over the place right now. The Bath and Body Works drop, this cup drop, the Labubu drop. I don't even think I'm gonna get Labubus. Okay, now I'm just starting to blab. There's just so much going on. The bag drops, the crystal Coach bags. Oh my gosh, I swear to you, like my mind is just all over the place right now. So yeah, just give this video a like, please, for my mind's sake, please. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite item. Okay, let me come back to earth. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.